Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my another video. So in this video we're gonna make a simple clock using Python. So for doing that you have to just create a folder so your project could be organized. So you could name it anything. I'm naming this clock. Let's open it, and now we are gonna do right click and we are gonna open it with code. And now our folder is opened with VS Code. So we're gonna make a new file using this icon of create a new file, and now we're gonna name it clock.py. And now we're gonna import two modules. The first one is time, so you're gonna import time so that we could know the time. And now the second one is from tick enter, we're gonna import star, which means all. Okay, so from tick enter we are importing all the necessary items, modules, and everything from this module we are importing. And now we're gonna make a variable, so that could be root. Now root equals to tk. So we are not doing tick enter dot tk because we have already imported all things from tick enter. So now root dot tk, and now root dot geometry. So we are gonna set it as the best geometry I've got is 359 multiplied by 150 plus 0 plus 0. So this is the best resolution I've got for our clock. Now root dot configure, and we're gonna set background to black. You could change it according to your wish. And now root dot resizable, sizeable will be 0 and 0, which means we cannot resize it. And now root dot override direct 1. So we are gonna override direct it 1. And now we are gonna make a def, and that will be like time. So it'll be like text equals to time dot str wait a second strf time, and the format is like this: percent capital H colon percent m colon percent s. Wait a second, just wait a second. Yes, percent s. Okay, and now I'm gonna do label dot config. Sorry for the disturbance. And label is a module we're gonna create afterwards, so we're gonna do label dot config, and this will be text equals to text, and label dot after 200 comma start. So after 200 units this is gonna start. And now we are finally gonna declare the label. So label equals to label clock, sorry, it is root comma font equals to ds digital wait ds digital. I guess you need to install this thing because it's not by default in Windows operating system. So I will make a tutorial further in my channel, and we are gonna make this as bold, and our BG equals to obviously black, and our foreground will be, that means FG equals to I guess it could be cyan, or you could also do red, but I'm gonna do it as blue. So I'm doing it as blue, and BD border equals to 50. And now label dot grid row equals to 0 comma column equals to 1. And now we're gonna make this time def, and now we're gonna print finally my clock is ready. Or finally my clock is here. And we're gonna do root dot main loop. So yes, this is the small 19 to 20 lines of code which you're gonna write to make a clock like this. So let me save this by using Ctrl S, and wait a second, start, just wait a second, I got some error. So I've made changes in the code, and there was a mistake, so sorry, just clock, and now it should work definitely. So here you go, this is your clock, and this is really looking good. And we could do this also, we could also change the color of text like red, and even background, so we're gonna make it white. And now if we run it again, you could see it's not looking that good, but yes, good, it's not bad. And yes, background also we can do white. Now you could see it's looking good. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video. Bye.